Welcome to our official CPESTA 2025 event coverage. Today, sasamahan namin kayo para balikan ang mga nangyari noong November 13, 2025 kung saan ang Circuit Rocks team ay naging isa sa mga proud sponsors ng CPESTA 2025 Faces of Innovation. Dito, nagtitipon-tipon ang computer engineering students mula sa iba't ibang universities across the National Capital Region para sa isang buong araw na learning, collaboration at hands-on tech appreciation. At syempre, andun din kami to support the future engineers of tomorrow. During the event, nag-set up kami ng Circuit Rocks booth kung saan maraming estudyante ang dumaan, nagtanong, nag-demo, at nag-explore ng iba't ibang electronic components, development boards, sensors, at tools na makakatulong sa kanilang projects at research. At para mas maintindihan natin ang impact at layunin ng CPES sa 2025, kinausap ko rin ang isa sa mga organizers.
Guys, my name is Anne Aranja. I'm from Circuit Rocks Philippines, and today we're going to interview one of the organizers in CPESTA event 2025. Let's go! Hello guys, this is Sir Joaquin, one of the organizers of the event. So magpapakilala sa atin si Sir Joaquin.
Hi, I'm Joaquin again, and I am the director for membership for the ICPEP.SC for this school year. And this event is called CPES 2025 Faces of Innovation. This is basically a general assembly of all computer engineering students ng NCR, Philippines, of course. And of course, yung event na to is for us to have this gathering sa lahat ng mga schools na may computer engineering students and to have fun and to also learn as well since we have some activities po.
So Sir Joaquin, how do you think this event benefits the students or school community?
Basically, this event kasi is a gathering siya. So, it's not only like a gathering itself, a normal gathering, but it's also a way for us to strengthen the community by, of course, having games, having these competitions like yung Clash of Talents and like yung robotics. And syempre, along the way, it's for us to have fun as well. And that's why, ayun, mas nag-strengthen yung community and mas makikilala namin rin isa't isa.
So thank you Sir Joaquin sa interview, and we're again from Circuit Rocks Philippines. Rock on!
Samahan nyo kami as we relive the energy, creativity, and dedication ng CPE community. This is CPESTA 2025 Faces of Innovation, brought to you by Circuit Rocks. Enjoy watching! Rock on!